Hello everyone, welcome back to the TurbosCell YouTube channel. As I mentioned in the previous video, also Happy New Year, everyone. I guess this is how I am starting the new year. In the previous video, I announced that I had acquired a car, and although I'm recording this the day after I did that video, we already are doing some work. So let's get to the action. Have some time lapses. We're gonna do a little bit of cleaning. I'm gonna be doing some cleaning too in the video. And then we're gonna put it on the lift. So let's get to the action. Okay, anyway. Little, I don't know what to call it. I am sorry for the bad views. I hope this is a little bit better of one. But yeah, as you can see, it's a 2004 as blah blah. You can see you can kind of see the engine through the grill, I think. As I said, it's a silver color. I mean, and it needs to be cleaned. It is not an STI, meaning unfortunately it doesn't have the big rear wing. But it does have the hood scoop, and the last thing that I'm gonna say before we begin work is that I don't know what I was gonna say. So let's just get to work. Okay, we've cleaned it. Yeah, I did the windows over here. It's looking better, although part of it's still seen some better days. I'm gonna probably put it on the lift now. And we'll see you with that. On the lift, have some extra supports, as you could see from some of the video that I tried to do, that I tried to make look cinematic, except that I don't have that kind of camera. Anyway, as you can see, the transmission, the fuel tank, you have the muffler, and you can see the bottom of the wheels. And you can see all the things, like the drive shaft. But yeah, that will be about it for today's video. And that was this week's video. Yeah, I'm going to be doing videos on a weekly basis now. So if you want to see more of this content, then don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to keep up to date on this series, then I'd highly advise that you subscribe so that you can get the notifications bell. It is completely free, just like any other YouTuber should have had said. Anyway, that's it for this week's video, and I'll see you next week. Bye!